It's Bonnie. Welcome to my Avon 2020 Christmas kickoff party event. I've never done one of these before. I'm so excited. I'm filming it here on YouTube for all of my channel to see. And then I've also created a Facebook event. So if you want to share this with your friends via Facebook, that would be wonderful. Definitely invite your friends. Let them see what awesome stuff is going on at Avon for Christmas 2020. If you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below. I'm on Facebook, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, and I also have a blog called www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com. And over there, I'll put the link below. You can sign up for e-coupons, and I have a little newsletter that I send out. So all kinds of stuff. All the information is below. If you want to place an order online, shipping is free on $60, and then I send out other coupons. You may get better shipping deal for that. So you want to sign up for my coupons. Let's get started. I'm so excited about Avon Christmas this year. So 5 campaigns of Avon Christmas. This is the kickoff. We're starting off with the Artisan Perfume. So I'm just going to go through everything, you guys, because there's a lot of stuff here. So the first thing we have are the Artisan perfumes, which includes the Cherry Vetiver, which I know a lot of you got in that A box, and you liked it. This one I really like. It's got a nice cherry scent to it. Feels sophisticated. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I've had so many compliments on this one. It's by the name of it's Leered, and then it's Artisan Cherry Vetiver. Comes in this super pretty Christmassy looking bottle. And then the other one, which I don't have, is called, what is this one called? Santal Musk. So there are 2 of them for the holidays. So we have those new perfumes. And then, I'm just going to go through the pages here. Next up, we have the hand cream and the lip balm. I know everyone gets excited over the hand cream and the lip balm. Major, like, big time stocking stuffer gifts. I always remember getting these as a kid. We have the Skin So Soft, we have the silicone glove, all the different hand creams. So those are going to be $220 in the catalog. And then, of course, we have all of the holiday lip balms. I did do a couple videos about those. So if you go through my Avon Christmas 2020 playlist, you can see the reviews. Those are $1.49. You're going to get the sugar cookie, buttercream, candy cane, so, oh, and marshmallow. So some kind of nice flavors going on that one. Next up, perfume sets, you guys. Check these out. We have the Rare Pearls and the Haiku. I did buy the Rare Pearls for my mother. Check out the cute little box these come in. You get a lotion, and, oops, my lighting is terrible. You also get the perfume. These are $24, $23, I'm sorry. Already wrapped. How cool is that? And then for men, we also have the black suede and we have the wild country. Those come with a deodorant. So I'm assuming once this video is up, I'm filming today on Sunday, you'll be able to see, everything will probably be on the front page of the Avon e-store. Next up, oh my gosh, I love these. These are these cute little makeup applicators. It's an ornament. These are cute little stocking stuffers. There is a Christmas tree. And then we also have a snowman. How cute is that? These cute little makeup applicators. And they do say Avon on the front. A cute little Avon collectible going on there. Those are $8 each in the e-store. Oh my gosh, next up, check it out. I love these caddies. There's also a pink one, I believe, online. The pink ones, I think, are $12. The Christmas one is actually $20. But it comes with these nice, like, it's a black with kind of a star pattern. I really like this one, though. I got 2 of these. I use these. I keep one in my car, and I keep all my, like, hand sanitizers and my masks in there, you know, and every time I leave the house, I take this with me. I also have 2 that I keep my makeup in. Super popular. People absolutely love these. That would be a great gift for someone. Next up, we have the PJs. Oh my gosh. Cute little All Is Bright and Present Pajamas. I didn't get one of those yet. It's funny. I actually did get these slippers. I think my mom ran off with them. I don't see them over here. I think she's wearing them. We have so many slippers coming, you guys. So these are the slip-on slippers. And then we also have, check it out, the sparkly slippers. These are $15.99. They're sequin. I got a pair of these for myself. I love the red sequins. I thought those were super pretty. In an upcoming campaign, I actually really like these. I can't decide which ones I like better. I like the slip-on if I'm just like, running somewhere fast. But I also like these. These have the back on them. Oops, I got paper in here. I really like these. These are going to come in gray, pink, and I think cream. But these will be in an upcoming campaign. So, there's more coming, you guys. This is just the kickoff party for Christmas. There's so much coming. Next up, check it out. I'm wearing my necklace. This is called the Peppermint Party Collection. I absolutely love this necklace. I'm really into mint, and I just think it's really cute to have a necklace with mints on it. It kind of looks like classy. It doesn't look like, it's costume jewelry, but I think it looks kind of pretty for like a holiday party. And then you do get earrings with this set, little red earrings. I actually don't wear earrings. I don't know why. My hair is always covering my ears. And then you can get a ring and a bracelet in the Peppermint Party Collection. Lots of jewelry. All kinds of earrings. I did not get the earrings because I don't wear earrings. And then we also have really cool, colorful rings. Lots of stuff coming from Avon and jewelry for Christmas. I did get this. This, what is it? It's the Snowflake Collection. Oh my gosh, check this out, you guys. I haven't even reviewed this stuff on my channel yet. I think this is it. Look at that pretty little box. I think, is this the one? Or maybe this might be a different one. Oh no, that's a different one that's coming. I have all these little boxes of jewelry, and I don't know which is which. I have all this cool, this is a Snowflake Collection, I think. This is actually super pretty. I should have untangled this before I did it, but it's actually like a dual necklace, but check this out, how pretty this is. It's very delicate, and then there's like a second necklace that hangs below it. Let me see if I can do this. Oh yeah, that was super easy. Isn't that pretty? Check that out. I like how delicate this is. So that is, the necklace is $12.99. So awesome price for that. Love all this holiday jewelry. We've got blessed, thankful, and grateful bracelets. And then we have, I think, an angel, a Christmas tree, and it's like a little, an angel, and a Christmas tree, and a nutcracker. How cute are those? Oh my gosh. Little holiday watches going on there. Zodiac stud earrings. And then, this is cute. Okay, celestial jewelry here. So if you have anyone who's into Harry Potter like me, that's a different one. Oh my gosh, you guys, where is it? I gotta find it. I've got all this jewelry. Oh, here it is. Check it out. This is definitely costume jewelry, but these are only $12.99. There is a moon, a cross, and then there is like a star. And I don't know, I just thought that was kind of like a cute necklace. I think that would look really pretty on. So I really like that. That was cute. It's on like a blue background. So those are in there right now. And then, the mice, you guys. I did get one of the girl mice. I need to light her up. Check it out. She's carrying a little present right there. There's a boy mouse too. Those are $24.99. We also have a light up greenhouse, limited edition. That's an Avon collectible up here. I've seen it. It's really pretty. And then the limited edition light up nutcracker. I'm thinking of getting the nutcracker. I think that would be really cute, like on my holiday table. I have not gotten that one yet. What else do we have in here? Okay, so that so far is what's going to be available in the Campaign 23 Holiday Kickoff. Like I said, each campaign after this, we're going to have more Christmas. So you definitely want to hang around for this. Like I said, more Christmas coming in Campaign 24, which is the Parisian holiday, which is going to include this bubble bath cat. It's going to include the palette, it's right in front of me, you guys. The palette here, this is the eyeshadow palette that Avon's got out for Christmas. How pretty is that? So there's lots of stuff coming, and there's probably a lot of stuff that I don't even know about yet that will be in campaigns 25 and 26. So there's like 4 to 5 catalogs that we're going to have all Christmas. One thing that I'm really excited about that's coming back are these City of Lights powder puffs. I got one of these around Valentine's Day. It's like a blush with a cute little powder puff. Love these, you guys. And then they're so cute. I mean, they just look really classy. And then I get my bag of stuff here. Oh my gosh. Parisian Holiday, one of the things that I absolutely love is this holographic lip gloss. Oh my gosh, I'm a huge fan of holographic lip gloss. Check this out. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Absolutely must have on your Christmas list is holographic lip gloss. Also in this catalog, you're not going to want to miss the Iconic collection. Check it out. Look at all these cool jewelry items. I really want to get that locket over here. I haven't gotten that yet. That was actually on back order. We do have a new A box, all purple stuff. I did pick up one of those. I reviewed that on the channel. If you go to the A box, the playlist. And then I believe all of these are still in there. Like the serums, these would make great Christmas gifts. And the body perfume, this is the Veilment, super pretty. So go through the catalog. Even if you're not getting the Christmas stuff, there's a lot of stuff in here that you're going to want to buy as Christmas gifts. I mean, it's one-stop shopping, lots of cool stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is crazy. So in campaign 24, Avon just released a $1,000 perfume, which I don't have. It comes in a wooden box. It's a peacock on a pedestal, and it's got it's 18 karat gold overlay, and it has 21 Swarovski crystals. It is designed by some famous perfumer, Caroline Sabos. Oh my gosh, you guys. But if you want to get something for like a wedding gift or like an anniversary gift that's really like out of this world, you might want to consider this. It is $1,000, which is a really high price point, but it looks gorgeous. So like, that's a kind of neat collectible. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on my Avon holiday kickoff. I'm so excited. Tuesday, October 13th. Like I said, I am an online Avon rep. All my information is below, and this will be posted also on YouTube. I am on YouTube. I'm getting too excited. Over on Facebook, I'll put the link so you can share it with your friends. But we're going to have fun all Christmas. Definitely lots of stuff coming. I think I'm going to wear this to dinner. I like it. Dinner's in my house. I'm not going anywhere, but I think I'm going to keep my hat on and my necklace. Surprise my family. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.